Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 3 of this school building. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add interior walls, and in this video, we're gonna continue working on this. Um, let's start adding doors. So I'm just gonna click the door here, and we're just gonna add the single flush door, and we're just gonna use the 762 by 2032 millimeters, so just the default one. And here we're gonna add the door on this side, and you could click space bar to change orientation, then just repeat that. So just click, and if you need to change orientation, just click the space bar. And if you put it on the side here, as you can see, it changes where the side of the door will be. If for some reason you make a mistake, you can always click this one and change the door. So as you can see, there's arrows that you can flip the doors. So let's go back to architecture and click door. And then here, let's add, so space bar to change orientation. And then here, let's add in the door as well. Flip it. And we're gonna add in a double door here, so we will need to load it later on. So just a recap, we have the doors right here, and then we're gonna add double doors here, and this will be the guidance room. This will be where the server room or the hub, and this one as well. And let's give this one a door as well for people to come in here. This will be the general office. This will be the main entrance, so we will add in double doors. And we have the gym right here, so let's put in double doors. So on this side, this will be the library, so we're gonna add double doors as well here. And this is the washroom. As you can see, we don't need to add doors. And then this will be the clinic. So I'm just gonna flip it on the other side like this. This will be the change room. So for the change room, I want it to be accessed on this side. And we have the storage right here. Another storage right here as well. And then the academic storage is right here. So this will be accessed on this side. We have a classroom right here. and we also have a classroom right here on this side. This will be stairs, so we're gonna add in double doors. So let's go to insert and load family, and let's look for doors, and then let's look for double doors. And we could also go commercial. Let's add this one for our entrance. So I'm just gonna choose the biggest one. I don't want to load everything. And then let's load in more. Not this one. Let's go back. And let's look at residential. Oops. Oh, I keep on making a mistake. I keep on pressing double. Okay, so let's look for something. No. So this one will be good enough. I'm just gonna add in the biggest one. So now we could go back to architecture and click the door. This will be the double door that we're gonna use later on, but we're gonna use the exterior door. This is for the main entrance. So here I'm gonna put this one on this side, and I will add another basic interior wall. So I'm gonna click this wall and then just press CS, and then I'm gonna add another wall right here, and then I'm gonna click this CS again so that I could add it again. We could put it in the middle. So I just gonna delete this and do a type in CS again. So I just want it to be in the middle. So that will be good. Um, we might move this one on this side, and then so that we could add in a stairs here going up. So that will be a good idea as well. But for now, let's leave it like this so that you can visualize what we're trying to do here. And then go back to door again, click the door, and then we're gonna use this double door. We're gonna add this one for the gym. And we didn't put anything for the library yet. So I'm gonna click this one for the library. And then I made a mistake on putting it on the side, so you could just flip it, type in CS so that we could add it to this one is the stairs. So I'm gonna add it in the middle. And then we also have one stairs here. And then the access for the service area. We're also gonna load an overhead here because we have the service area right here. So for loading and unloading. So here, let's go back to insert again, load family, and then let's look for overhead. So rolling overhead, this might be it. And let's add it like that. I'm probably gonna add two, or like we could just put three, so that for loading zones, so that would be good. I just want to make sure that it's not over our. So as you can see, the height is too much. So we could just click this one, and around 3800 will be good enough for the height. Let's look for the 3D. We could do more, 3500. And I believe that's good enough. Go back to ground floor, and we have this one. We're just double checking everything. Um, I have this one as well. I want to put doors so that people or kids can go out from this side. I'm gonna put this one here and this one here. We can even just leave this one open. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna type in SL. So slice TR. We're gonna trim this wall. So this will be open for exit. Want to make sure that we add. So I'm gonna type in CS again, and we're gonna add a wall right here. Where we always have vestibule on this part of the country because this is where I'm at in Toronto. It's very cold, so this will prevent heat from going out or and also for cold to come in. So in every exit, it's a good idea to have vestibule. So this one as well. Let's add double door. Single will be enough actually. I'm gonna just use this one, CS, and then just for exit. And it's also for safety. So exit. So you always make sure that there's exit. And then here, I'm just gonna extend this one and then add. So I'm gonna type in CS and add this wall right here. I'll make sure that this is around 3000. And then click the wall again, CS. We're gonna create a vestibule and then click the door. So this is for exit there. And then CS again, this is for the door here. We could flip this one on the other side. I also want to add an exit door here for the gym. But we could just add this one, CS this, and it will be flipped like this. So we have exit door on this side, and then add the double door right here. So click the double door, CS, create similar, and then we could add the general, a door here for the general purpose area. And then let's add in an exit door. Okay, I'm just double checking everything before we go forward. And it's probably a good idea to put names. So go to architecture and then room. Let's add in some room tags. So this will be the main entrance. So I'm just gonna keep on adding tags first. And it's easier to just edit the tags afterwards. This one we need to create a boundary, so I will do that later on. And then we have our classroom right here. Okay, so let's start adding the names. So we could add this one first. Service. Main entrance. Office. Guidance. This is the server room, or we could use this hub. Supply. This will be the gym. You have the clinic here. This will be the change room. Athletic storage. This will be the general storage. So they could put chairs, tables, all those stuff. Academic storage. This will be JK SK. So junior kindergarten, senior kindergarten. This will be the same. So I'm just gonna copy this. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna press escape. Room separator, we need to separate this. So now we just need to do this. We need to close this off so that we could add room tag. So now once you create a room tag, earlier it's showing everything that is not enclosed. So this one we could put this one corridor. This one. This one will be the library. Washroom. And then let's go down and do the same right here. This will be JK and SK as well. The one at the top. This will be the stairs. Stairs 1. And I believe we also have stairs here as well. And then here, I believe this is resources or resource 1 and resource 2. General purpose area. And then here IAT 7 to 8. So this one are the more adult or more older kids. Intermediate 7 to 8. So this general office. So I'm just double checking if I have everything. Of course, we're gonna add in a wall here. So CS wall, and then of course a door. Let's add in double door like that. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.